263,000 followers on LinkedIn. And every Monday morning, I used to waste 45 minutes analyzing all my LinkedIn data and writing a summary to figure out what was working and what was not. Every single Monday, manually. And now I have an AI data analyst agent that does it for me every single week automatically. It analyzes all my data, writes me a report based on my target KPIs, and sends me a summary through email and Slack every week automatically. And I'll never forget the first Monday I woke up to a Slack message and an email with my weekly LinkedIn analytics report. Today, I'm gonna show you step by step exactly how to build it in only 6 minutes. I built my AI data analyst agent in Zapier, who's partnering with me on today's video. Let's get into it. Here is a complete overview of what we're gonna build today. And I know this might look like a lot, especially if you've never built an AI agent before, but I promise you, if I can do it, you can do it. This is the entire workflow of our AI data analyst agent. It starts out with a trigger, which I have set for every Monday morning at 9 a.m. Part 2 is the instructions part. It's gonna follow all of the instructions of this prompt I gave it and all of the resources attached as well. And after it goes through all of those instructions, that's when it's gonna take action. And the action we're gonna take here is that it's gonna send the entire analytics summary to a Slack channel I have called Agents and to my Gmail account as well. Because there's truly nothing better than waking up on a Monday morning at 9 a.m. to a fresh data analytics report with fresh data and a nice hot cup of coffee. That is my dream Monday morning. Let's start a brand new agent so I can show you how to build this from scratch. I'm gonna use Copilot, which is right here embedded into the platform, and I'm just gonna describe the workflow that I want. And of course, they do have all these template options over here, or you can use Copilot to customize and get exactly what you're looking for. We're gonna start out with this very simple prompt, and then we can make it better as we go. And literally, I'm doing nothing right now. Copilot is doing all this for me. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. This is why I love agentic AI, because I can just chill while it does all the work. Okay, this is awesome. It's already making really good suggestions for me based on things it already knows about me. So it wants to know the email recipient. Yes. So I'm gonna say yes, my email, which by the way, I'm gonna blur this out of the video because I know some of y'all are getting a little creepy in my email. Then I have to specify the Slack channel I want the message sent in. I actually have an agent's Slack channel that I created just for this purpose. So all of my agents send all of their updates to that channel. That way they're all in one place. And for the last part, it wants to know what we actually want to analyze. And I really want to be as specific as possible in the prompt. So I'm going to specify the time period as the last 28 days because I don't want to look at LinkedIn posts from like months ago. I want to see what's currently performing well or not, because the algorithm's always changing and I want my insights to be fresh and relevant. Then I'm also going to specify the metrics and KPIs that are most important for me. The reason why is because I always want to optimize for views, because that determines my visibility on LinkedIn. It determines how many people actually see my posts and see my brand. And then it also determines how many brand deals I get and how much I can charge. So views are very important for me. And then I also care about follows because I'm always wanting to grow my audience and get new people to come on board to BDE and join this crazy community. And a secondary metric I really want to keep an eye on is saves, because saves are an indication that I created very valuable content that people actually want to save and use later. But there are also interesting variables that I want to track too, because I know they affect all of these metrics differently. So I want to consider the asset type. Was it a video, a carousel, a graphic, a photo? The hook. What was the hook I used in the post? Because there are certain hooks that perform better than others, and I want to make sure that I'm keeping tabs on those. It's honestly one of the most important part of content, so I have to see what hooks are working and which ones aren't. I'm also going to track links, whether or not a link was included in the post or not, because sometimes links tank LinkedIn posts, so I'm always trying to see what that looks like. And of course, the topic. I have a lot of different brand pillars. I have data, AI, career, salary negotiation, entrepreneurship. So I like to see what kind of topics my audience is finding interesting. I really set this up like a machine learning model, didn't I? Maybe my next agent should be a machine learning data scientist agent. The final thing I added at the very end for the analysis portion is I also need a short executive summary summarizing all the details. I'm a data analyst. I love the nitty gritty. I want to read into all the details, see what's working, see what's not, see all these different variations of the analysis, but I'm also very busy. So I also just want a quick executive summary so I can get a high level overview. Now we're going to send this in Copilot and let it work its magic. And now we can see it's actually connecting all the pieces together. It's connecting to my Google Sheet, and then it's also connecting to my Gmail and Slack. That's the entire workflow. And it literally created and set all this up for me. Now let's check the frequency. We have weekly at 9 a.m. starting March 2nd. And then based on my prompt, here are the instructions that it created all on its own. And of course I can edit these and customize them anymore if I need to. And here's the Slack configuration. I can actually change the channel anytime I want, or I can do a custom message text, but I'm honestly gonna leave all that up to my agent and see what happens. Same thing with my email. I can configure all the detailed settings here, but I'm just gonna let my agent decide most of them. You know what? I really trust my AI data analyst agent. Now let's test it. And a really important thing, especially when you're testing AI, is to keep a human in the loop. You don't want to just give AI complete power without any guardrails in place. So while we're testing, it is gonna ask me to approve the action. Looking at this, I think the summary actually looks really good, so I'm gonna approve it and send it. And here we go, my LinkedIn Analytics bot just posted in my agent's channel in Slack. It has the source data linked right here, which I think is super helpful. It tells me the analysis period, all the trends, and views, follows, and saves my top 3 KPIs and metrics. It also highlights all of my top posts and any patterns that are driving engagement. And it's giving me custom recommendations to improve next week based on the data in the analysis. And my executive summary. I'm so excited about this part because I'm an executive. And if I go into my email, I have the same report also sent to my email with the original source data linked as well from Google Sheets. This is so awesome, y'all. Best regards, LinkedIn Analytics agent. Wow, and they're polite too. And of course, if there's anything I want to edit or change or customize further, I can go back to Copilot and ask it to make edits accordingly. And that is how you build a LinkedIn AI data analyst agent that works for you while you sleep. If you want a free template of the Zap that I created, check the template below. And if you want a free 3-step data analytics roadmap to become a data analyst, that's in the description as well. Sending you lots of big data energy. Bye.